Here we go with the weather weapons. Anybody out there that doesn't believe that governments can control the weather, you're just naive. Bro, you trying to say that humans can't create technology? That's basically what you're saying. You're trying to say that humans aren't shit, they can't come up with technology. We can come up with fucking technology, alright? Do whatever we want. Control the weather, control vibrations in your body with EMFs. That's through Wi-Fi and cell phones. Vibrating your body, controlling your mood. But yeah, get Bill Gates to like spray chemtrails all over the earth, worldwide, and then like blame us for climate change when they're changing the climate to create weather weapons.
It is worth noting that there was a flag popping up over the fence there that looked an awful lot like a Trump flag, but it does represent just how high the tensions are in the US at the moment with the fallout from the withdrawal of Afghanistan.
Annalise Nielsen, thank you.